to another tutorial. So in this quick tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to set up Viserbank script. Yes, if you want to build an online banking website, you want to learn how to build a banking website for yourself or for an agency or for someone as a freelancer, then this is the right video for you. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up Viserbank banking script. Now, the first thing you want to do in setting up Viserlab is to purchase a web hosting. Now, I'm going to be using Asura hosting for this tutorial. So this is Asura hosting. You can buy a domain, order a hosting, make payment, and even contact their support. So what you have to do is to type in the domain name you want to use. So once you're done, you click on search, and it's going to search and see if the domain name is available. So it's going to search and see. Now, if the domain name is, as you can see, prescribe.com is available at 19,000 naira. So you're going to purchase the domain for 19,000 naira. So as you can see, the price of the domain is 19,000 naira. So you're going to click on add to cart, and the next thing is to go for hosting, as you can see on the right side. Now, a lot of people normally go for direct admin, and I tell them if they come to my DM if they have any trouble. I really do not appreciate, I don't like the direct admin on my own, because it looks like your laptop file manager, and cPanel is more advanced and it gives a better view and it's easy to operate on. I don't know, but for me, I don't really like direct admin. So what I choose is I normally use cPanel web hosting. So you're going to click cPanel. So after you click cPanel, as you can see, there are different plans that suit you, but this is actually good. So you can use this cheap plan, and then you add the hosting order now. And once you order done, you make your payment. They allow crypto payment, they allow credit card payment, they allow a lot of payment. They have like 6 payment gateway that you can utilize to make payment. So I'm not going to purchase this right now. I'm just showing you how you can purchase a domain name. So total, you should be paying no less than 48,000 naira. Now mind you, this is 12 gig unlimited bandwidth. You can add 15 website, 15 database, and 15 email account. I think this is the cheapest you can get for 1 year. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to install it. I already have everything purchased for my own tutorial, but I'm just showing you how you can go through the process. Now I'm going to go to my file manager. This is what the domain I'm going to be using for this tutorials.com.ng. Now I'm going to go up here. Once you go to your cPanel, okay, once you go to your cPanel, so this is my cPanel, all you just have to do is to search for file manager. So this is the file manager. You click on it and it will bring you here. Now for yours, it's going to bring you to this public_html, not this where I have the domain under. It's going to take you to this public_html. So all you have to do next is to click on upload. Now there is a link in the description of this video that will help you download the file. So once you download the file, you have to upload the file here. So now I already have the file downloaded, so let's go to my documents, scroll downward, Viserbank, and then open. Now if you click on the link in the description, you get the file, you download it on your computer, and then you upload it here. Are we together, guys? So you give it some time to upload. Now depending on your internet connection, some are fast, some are slow, so you just have to be patient a bit, and it's going to upload perfectly. want to do next is to click on go back. Now when you click on go back, okay, so now you extract the file. So I'm going to click on it and then click on extract and click on extract file. Now what this is going to do is it's going to bring out all the file inside the folder. So this is the file, so I'm going to click on selector and I'm going to move it to the main folder of the website. So this is it, and I'm going to move it here. I'm going to go back. This is it. So now I'm going to go to my website /install, because I'm going to use this install folder. Now you can install this directly by deleting this install folder and using your database directly, but I'm just going to go through the install page. Sorry, let's copy the website. So copy the domain name, then put /install. Now this is it. So click on install and it's going to open up this page, and you're going to click on I agree. So it's telling you what to do. So it's saying this is the permission required for Bootstrap cache, storage app, storage framework, and storage log. So let's go. So I'm going to copy this Bootstrap cache, that's the first one. So go to core, Bootstrap. Some people call it cache, but I call it cache. So back, set storage. So this is storage. Now open up storage, app, framework, log. Now click on enter. So that should do that. So recheck and click on next. So once you click on next, it's going to ask you to come up with your database. So let's go and create a database. So I think I already opened here. Okay. So on my cPanel, I'm going to search for database. So I prefer using the database wizard. So I'm going to click on it. So now this database wizard, you can call it whatever you want to call it. So, but this is what I choose to call it, tests, because I'm going to delete this after this tutorial. I'm not really building a website for anyone. I'm just doing this for tutorial purpose. So I'm going to delete it after this tutorial. So I'm going to use this as my password again and create user. So now once this is done, you want to give it all privilege and click on make changes. So now I'm going to fix the database username, password, host should be localhost. Now where do I do that? Okay, it should be this. As you can see, everything has been completed. So let's go back. Now you want to call this admin username, admin password, and whatever you want to give it. Now these are the informations. Click on install now. So your system has been successfully installed. As you can see, you can read them, but delete the install folder from the server. So let's go to the server. So go to the server. Here is the server. The file manager, that is what they mean by server, guys. So go to the file manager. So this is the store folder. So I'm going to delete this and delete this. So this is it, guys. As you can see, you can visit your website now. So this is your Viserbank. This is your Viserbank. As you can see, we have installed this successfully. This is how it looks like. So let's create an account. password. Let's see, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I agree, and you click on register. So fill your information. Just gonna do this. Choose a picture. So I'm gonna do this and submit. Okay, so this is the dashboard, as you can see. So this is the deposit area. This is the withdraw, loan, transfer, more. So now this is everything about the Viserbank script, and you can do a lot from the admin. So let's go to the admin /admin. So I think we used admin and admin as the password. So let's see. So we used admin. I really don't know if I get the spelling correctly, but we used admin. Yes, that's it. So we get it. This is it. This is the Viserbank script. As you can see, it's the Viserbank. Okay, guys. Now this is the Viserbank. So thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you on my next tutorial.